Hello, grill enthusiasts. Meet the Smart Solar Grill Light, an innovative aluminum lighting solution that transforms your nighttime grilling experience. This solar-powered marvel features 10 white LEDs, providing optimal illumination for your culinary adventures. Its heavy-duty, versatile clip allows for easy mounting on tables, walls, fence rails, and posts, ensuring you have light wherever you need it. With up to 6 hours of light on a full charge, this grill light is perfect for those long evening cookouts. Plus, it comes with replaceable, rechargeable Ni-mh batteries, making it both eco-friendly and convenient. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening meal, the Smart Solar Grill Light is your perfect companion for grilling after dark. So, light up your grill and elevate your outdoor cooking game with this must-have accessory. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.